This is an auto test product video for the AutoLight window tint meter. Window tinting compromises the safety of the driver and their passengers. AutoLight is our standard tint meter. AutoLight Plus is the upgraded model which can store 20 results and has a Bluetooth interface. The AutoLight Magnetic is the ultimate tint meter for hands-free testing. This can also be upgraded to the AutoLight Magnetic Plus. For accurate results, clean the glass before testing. Line the AutoLight tubes on either side of the window. Press the button to get a fast and accurate reading. It would otherwise be impossible by simple visual inspection. AutoLight reads the transmission as a percentage. Compare the reading with the specific value according to your local regulations. Repeat steps for each window area to be tested. Here is our AutoLight Magnetic Tint Tester. Faster to align and get results. Hands-free so you can take a photo. This is a requirement for some authorities. AutoLight components are fragile. When handling the unit, it should not be dropped or shaken violently.